In this video, I'm going to tell you why I think Micron can double from here. So before I start, this is not financial advice, not investing advice, not trading advice. So please do your own research before you make any financial decisions. So let's dive in to Micron. We're looking at the monthly time frame. What I really like about this chart here is you can see that it has this giant cup and handle that we broke out of last year. So I can draw a parallel channel here. This cup that we had has been, let's see, since 2000 to about 22 years to build out this cup. 22 years. We finally broke out of it in March of 2024. So now we're making higher highs and higher lows. So I like that a lot. We have our higher lows here. And then we have our higher highs. So overall, the trend is up. And the fact that we've been in this base for about 22 years, and we broke out of it, would not surprise me to see price continue to go higher, and we make a major move to the upside. So let's clear these lines here and look a little bit more closely the weekly time frame. We are over the 200 week moving average. We're just below the 10. Is this the 10 or 9? This is 10 moving average. I like to flip back and forth between the 9 and the 10. So I'm using the 10 right now. But we're slightly below the 10. But the sell volume has been coming down. Ideally, I want to see a higher low form here. Potentially, we form a bull flag before we break out, get to our all-time highs, and break out of there. So that's what I want to see for Micron. Now, if we go back to this giant cup and handle and use our parallel channel to predict measured moves. If you don't know how to do this, I recommend watching my video on parallel channels, using that to predict measured moves. I think it's very helpful. A tool that you can add to your tool set. So basically, we have our channel here that we broke out of, and we made a higher low. So if I adjust the channel to our midline, you can see we're finding some resistance here, which makes complete sense. Now, if we can form a bottom here and break out of this channel, then that would get me very excited, because then we can adjust this to our next higher low, which would first be here, the top of the channel that is now around $165 or so. But assuming we bottom out around, let's say, $100 to $110, then if I adjust that to, let's just be conservative and say $100, so $100, and we're looking at potentially $200. So lots of potential room to go up here. Now we just need to make this higher low. But overall, I really like this chart. If I go from the swing high to the swing low, the 1.618 is around $211. If I take the fib for our cup to the bottom of our cup, we have our 1618 around $154 and our 2618 around $247. So it wouldn't surprise me to see Micron doubling here, but we'll see. We'll take it one day at a time and keep a close eye on this. So make sure you add this stock to your watch list. All right. Thanks for watching the video.